All right, what's up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Coming at you guys with another viewer request. We're going to take a look at the BEPRO network today, ticker symbol BEPRO. Breaking things down on the daily chart, we're going to go over some of the key levels to pay attention to. We're also going to look at our MACD and our relative strength index, go over how you can use these to really help give yourself an edge. Trading is like going to battle. It's like going to war. Okay, you need to have the proper weapons at your disposal, and you need to know how to use those weapons so that way you can increase your odds of success. Now, with that being said, we're going to jump straight into it. And you may notice we have these series of yellow lines here. What these are is these are the three most common and well-respected Fibonacci retracement levels. We have the 38.2, the 50%, and the 61.8% levels. And the reason you use these is because they're useful for spotting trend continuation, right? So nothing moves in a straight line up or in a straight line down. Rather, you get a move up, retracement, continuation of the trend, or you get a move down, retracement, continuation of the trend. So, that's how you would spot the trend continuation. And we can see that that's what we got here previously, right? In the beginning of the year, 2023, so when it started, okay, we had a very nice push up. And then we got a healthy retracement to our 50% retracement level. And then we continued that trend and made a higher high and continued rallying. Now, you can also use it to spot reversals. And what I mean by that is if you move up, retrace, consolidate, and then break through those retracement levels, that's how you can spot a potential downside reversal. And if you move down, retrace, consolidate, and then break up to the upside, that's how you can spot a potential upside reversal. So, we got the trend continuation here, but at this point, what we got was the actual reversal. We consolidated a little and then we broke down and we retested our previous lows here from the initial pullback of the rally. So, now these prior support levels, right, that were really we needed to hold to continue going up higher, they're now going to be really big resistance, right? You can see we flipped them to resistance over here. So 0.0018 is really going to be a big overhead resistance level. Then we have 0.0020 and 0.00234. All right, those are our three major resistance levels that we need to get back above if we want to have any chance of retesting some of our previous highs that we just hit here. Now to the downside, all right, you're pretty much going to be focusing on this range right here, this little zone. I would just call this a little demand zone in this area right here. Okay, and so you're going to be looking at about let's call it 0.0011 down to about 0.00100. All right, so that's going to be your demand zone down below, aka an area of support. And we also have this trend line here as support as well that we could try to bounce off of. We just kind of established this trend line here from the beginning of the year, and then we came down and got a nice little bounce here. All right, also in this area of demand, we're able to get a nice little bounce. So we'll see. We could get a bounce off of here, off of this trend line. And if not, then most likely we're going to come back down and retest this demand zone like we did over here and like we did multiple times in the past in this area. So those are really just the key levels right now. A lot of this could be considered no man's land, as the upside potential with the major resistance up above is limited, and your risk to the downside is pretty significant. So I would recommend being patient. Okay. You don't have to force trades. You don't have to try to trade every single day. And, you can let things come to you. Okay. Just because you miss one trade doesn't mean you should FOMO into another trade and just start losing money. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I do these viewer requests every week. So if you want to see your token, your crypto in the next one, all you got to do is comment down below.